If you're an animal lover, you need to hear these anteater facts. Trust me, you'll be amazed. These snout-tastic creatures can eat up to 30,000 ants in a single day. And guess what? They don't have teeth. They use their super long tongues, which can reach up to 2 feet, to slurp up those ants like spaghetti. But wait, there's more. Their claws are like built-in Swiss Army knives, perfect for tearing apart ant hills. And did you know they can run as fast as a human? Yep, they can hit speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. Oh, and anteaters are great swimmers too. They use their long snouts like snorkels. So next time you see an anteater, remember they're basically nature's coolest multitaskers. Now go impress your friends with your new anteater knowledge. Hit that like button if you want more awesome animal facts.